How to use dark mode and adaptive brightness to extend battery life. Hey guys, in this tutorial, we'll look at how these simple things can cut display power usage, keep your phone cooler, and help your battery last longer every single day. So let's just get right into it. First thing you can do is turn on dark mode so your screen uses less power, especially on OLED displays where dark pixels require almost no energy. For that, you can go over to settings. From your settings menu, you can go to display. And on your display settings, you can easily find dark mode at the top. Select dark mode, and it's going to automatically turn everything into dark pixels. And then from there, you can enable adaptive brightness to let your phone automatically lower brightness when you're indoors or in your low light conditions. For that, you can easily find the adaptive brightness toggle right over here. Tap on it, make sure this is turned on, and your phone is automatically going to adjust your brightness based on your conditions. After you've done that, you could also avoid keeping your brightness at maximum and let the adaptive brightness handle it, and only increase it when you absolutely need it. You can also use dark wallpapers and themes to reduce your display energy. So if you just go over to your wallpaper and style option, here you'll find an option to dim wallpaper when on dark mode. Make sure this toggle is turned on. You can see how it affects the wallpaper, makes it a bit dimmer. And then you can also turn on your battery saver. So for that, you can just tap on power saving mode. So what it does is it's going to basically do all of these things like turn off always on display, decrease brightness by 10%, set motion standard to smooth, turn on dark mode, and set screen timeout to 30 seconds. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Like the video, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.